New arrivals that we have this week, how about the 1929 Model A Phaeton, Bonnie gray and black over saddle, 6,681 actual miles. That's what it says.
That's what it says.
We don't know for sure, but what it says on the title, what it says on the odometer, shows that it's 6,681 miles. It's been restored, and you say, well, why would you restore a car with 6,600 miles on it? Well, because fading, time, all that kind of stuff. Mice.
Sun. Water.
Things piled on top of it. Water and more water. Flooding. Any of those things. So this thing's really, really stunningly restored.
Beautiful.
And a great parade car, because what says classic car more than a 29 Ford Model A?
Not much.
Not much.